Ito yung time na talagang you feel helpless. Prayer talaga has been my companion.
Mainit na tinanggap muli ng pamunuan ng GMA ang Asia Songbird na si Regine Velasquez Alcacid nang pumirma ito ng 2-year contract itong Martes.
Noon pa lang, maski wala ako sa TV, marunong pala akong kumilatis ng magagaling na. It's really an asset and we are very glad.
Isa lang ang nadidinig at naaalalang tinig na boses na siyang tumatayong bilang GMA o isang gumaganap na talagang nasa kanya ang GMA nakatatak. So, icon. Walang kupas.
A month ago, nag-meeting na kami ni Miss Regine. Ang dami na naming napagkwentuhan. Pagka definite na kung ano yung story, malalaman nyo din.
Well, this has been my home for the past how many years? So, syempre mas comfortable ka na dito.
Nauunawaan naman daw ng GMA kung may mga kahilingan si Regine with regards to her workload. Tulad na lang ng Sunday All-Stars kung saan once a month lang ang kaya niyang ilaan.
Kasi it's Sunday, it's family day, parang lalo na nung nagkasakit si Papa, parang nakita ko yung importance nung kailangan makita ko yung parents ko every week man lang. So, I'm doing that once a month. I'm still doing it, pero kung merong absent or may promotion, then I'll be there.
Kagagaling lang daw mula sa sakit ang kanilang magdadalawang taong gulang na si Nate. Pero mas nakatuon ngayon ang pansin ni Regine sa amang si Mang Jerry.
Actually, ngayon lang ako ulit hindi nakakapunta kasi nagkasakit yung anak ko. But I've been there every day. Na binantayan ko siya for 4 days. We've all been there. Salitan kami. Sabi nga nung asawa ko sa akin, you know, your father is well-loved. And that's his legacy. People know him. Which is true. There was a time people would recognize him first before they would recognize me.
Icon.
Yeah, siya yung original na icon, diba? So, I guess that's his legacy. And I'm proud of it. I wouldn't be here if, kung hindi dahil kay Mang Jenny.
Pero kumusta na ang kalagayan nito?
He's actually really good now. He's recovering really, really well na. Tsaka ano na siya talaga yung okay na siya. Kaya lang kasi, since medyo matanda na si Papa, hindi mo pa rin alam na makabigla na namang, although sana naman hindi na. Kaya, I'm still asking for prayers.
At tila dinig ng langit ang panalangin ng buong pamilya para sa paggaling ni Mang Jerry. Nailipat na kasi sa regular room ang ama ni Regine kung saan masaya nilang ipinagdiwang ang kaarawan nito nitong Miyerkules, October 16. Samantala, marami ang nakapansin na wala sa mood si Regine nang dumalo sa Star Awards for Music kamakailan.
Because I was in a hurry because I needed to be home. Kasi nga si Nate is still recovering from his sickness.
Emosyonal ba siya nang tanggapin ang award bilang Female Concert Performer of the Year for Foursome?
Hindi naman. Actually, I was very happy and I just dedicated the award to my father. So, ano ka ba? Pag emotional ako, umiiyak ako, ano ka ba? Pagka yung plain lang, yung sabihin, okay pa ako.
At ngayong hapon sa Star Talk, Asia's Songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid, live!
Eto na nga sa Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
Hello! Good afternoon to everybody. At bago ang lahat, gusto ko nang batiin yung tatay ko kasi sabi ko sa kanya, panoorin mo ako sa Star Talk. Hi, Papa! So nanonood
Batiin ko rin siya.
We love
Yes!
Happy birthday, Mang Jerry.
Belated happy birthday, Papa!
Belated 2 days ago.
Oo.
Ito namang tanong ko kasi hindi kita masisi. Pero kasi tama naman talaga yung desisyon. Pero what really made you decide, ba't mo pinili ulit maging kapuso?
Siyempre, ito na yung aking home. Tsaka, bakit ka palilipat kung happy ka naman? 'Di ba? Wala namang dahilan. Although, I needed to talk to the management again for for added stuff. And then, no, I was just explaining to them na syempre iba na yung buhay ko ngayon. Hindi na ako dalaga na kalad ka rin kahit saan. Mag-shooting ka dito, kahit anong araw, sige, go.
Yun ang added stuff, adjustment lang.
Yung konting adjustment lang with my contract. And, I have to say that they have been so patient, very giving. The management, yung mga bossing ko dyan, so patient, so giving. when I got pregnant, di ba, nag-iwan ako ng soap. And, isang sabi ko lang, I didn't even have to worry about it. Sabi niya, go, pagpahinga ka. Mas kailangan namin na,
Very understanding.
na maging healthy yung baby. Parang baby din nila. Parang nakibaby din sila kay Nate. So, I appreciated that very much. And then, after I gave birth, sabi ko, hindi ko pa po kayang gumawa ng masyadong madami. Ito pa lang po yung kaya ko. Again, they understand. So, parang, diba, bakit mo naman iiwan yung lugar
Oo nga,
na
no?
komportable ka na,
So,
and you're
may mga
happy
pinagdadaan
naman.
ka pagsubok ngayon, alam na natin yun. Paano mo kinakaya ito? Pag nasa TV ka, parang walang problema. Paano mo kinakayang lahat?
Hindi, yung talagang pinaka-latest status on Mang Jerry ngayon.
No, he's actually recovering well now. He's doing very well. He's doing very good. Kaya nga lang, like I said, he's a little bit older now. So yung recovery mo, mas matagal than
Naging emotional
usual.
ka bigla talagang pag si Mang Jerry talaga.
Siyempre, si Mang Jerry yun eh.
Mang Jerry
Matagal
yun.
na kaming magtatay
Si Mang
nun
Jerry
eh.
yun.
No, but really, he's doing very, very well. And I'd like to
Mabuti
say
naman.
thank you to everybody na kasi I've been asking for prayers. Ang dami-dami talagang nagdadasal for my papa. So thank
My
you
prayer
very
brigade.
much.
So Regine, pupunta ka sa US for tour, no?
I'm going to the States. I'm leaving on the 23rd dahil meron pong silver, restaging ang silver sa States. On October 26 sa Orange County. On October 27, Solano Vallejo. And November 3, Mohegan Sun, Connecticut. So sana po magkita-kita po tayo dyan. It's going to be an exciting concert.
And
Yung
congratulations.
Thank
Sarap
you.
Diba? 1 year na.
Naka 1 year na pala yung sarap na
1
yun.
year at still going strong.
Akalain mo ba namang naka 1 year na kami? We are on our 5th season at nais ko pong magpasalamat sa aking mga chismosang kapitbahay na patuloy pong sinusuportahan ang aming show, ang aming munting show. Maraming salamat po. At sana po sa mga susunod na araw, sa mga susunod na Sabado, mapasaya pa rin po namin ang inyong mga umaga. So thank you very
Okay.
much.
Maraming
Regine, thank you
salamat.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tsaka Papa, magpagaling ka pa
Happy
ng
birthday, Mang
bonggang-bongga.
Jerry.
Love
Pagaling ka.
you.
Okay, at meanwhile,
Okay.
start ako like to thank Lily's Peanut Butter Minute Burger, Fernando's Bake Shop Bizarre, at si Dr. Vicky Bello, Flawless, si Leslie Tuberan, Susan Aquino of Symmetria, sa Your Vitamins, at Chef Gold's Gym, at happy birthday, Boy Abunda, Ricky.
Okay, ako rin hi to Erica, Rika, Jeric from Rika, Castañeda, Indianapolis. Regine, Miss Rika.
Happy birthday din kay Tito Boy. Yan.
Okay.